Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to send stickers and TikTok comments. To send stickers and TikTok comments, first note that this feature is region and account specific, so it might not be available to everyone. Open TikTok and navigate to the video where you want to comment. Keep in mind that not all videos allow stickers. Some creators may restrict this option. If the video supports it, tap on the comment section and look for the sticker icon alongside the emoji tagging and gifting options. Select the sticker icon, browse through the available stickers, and tap on the one you want to send. Once selected, it will appear as your comment. Remember, availability depends on your region, account status, and specific video settings. So if you don't see the option, try another video or wait until TikTok rolls out the feature to your account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.